In today's video, we're going to talk about the difference between user interface and user experience design. A lot of people get these two confused, but they're actually very different. So let us break it down for you. Let's start with user interface design. You've probably opened up your phone and seen the excitement of a new app or website. Everything that you see, including its design and theme, is its user interface. A user interface designer designs the visual elements of a website or app, including the page layout, theme, logos, buttons, interface animations, color schemes, and much more. They aim to make the product visually appealing, engaging, and interactive for the users. So, the next time you visit a website or app that seems plain and boring to you, you'll know it's probably because the company did not hire a good user interface designer. On the other hand, user experience design is the art and science of making products as enjoyable to use as possible. The role of a user experience designer is to make the website or application easy to use and intuitive for the users. A UX designer requires understanding the user's behavior, and how they interact with a website or an app. Unlike UI designers, the user experience designer deals with the way a person feels when interacting with an interface. They're not focused on how good it looks, but they care about its functionality and usability. User experience designers focus more on functions because that is what matters to their audience, you. It's important for them to know your likes and dislikes before designing so they can build something tailored specifically for you from start to finish, from testing out prototypes to promoting it afterwards through marketing campaigns, for example. If it requires extra effort and time to reach the checkout page in an app or a website, then it's probably because of a bad UX design. So, can a single professional work on both UI and UX design? Though there are designers out there that are experienced in both UI and UX development, the ideal approach is to hire separate designers for both. This is because both roles involve different working strategies and tools. Asking the same designer to work on both will not only make the product development process more complex, but would also reduce the level of productivity. Since UX designers are responsible for the outcome of the product, they are involved in managing different tasks at the same time, ensuring that the value of the product is not compromised during the process. Whereas, UI designers are technically responsible for only one aspect of the product, making sure that it is visually appealing, interactive, and engaging. Therefore, the best approach is to hire two separate professionals for each role. If you're still having trouble deciding, then visit invozone.com. We can help you find out which one of these designers you need by answering all those questions you might have.